and today I'm going to test how soil loses its minerals from heavy rainfall. And first I have sandy soil, clay soil, and topsoil. And this blue drink mix is to represent the minerals from the soil. So first, I'm going to pour in some of this topsoil. It's kind of falling. Just a couple scoops. That should be. We just need to add a little bit more. Perfect. All right, now I'm going to add this drink mix. And time to add the water. Let's see what happens. Look at it's losing all its minerals. Look at how much minerals it's losing. All that blue drink mix is getting lost from the soil. Wow. Okay, it's been about 10 minutes and I've poured 250 milliliters of water and 200 milliliters drained out. So the water looks very blue, so I think a lot of minerals, like the soil lost a lot of minerals. So now we're going on to sandy soil. Very interesting. Well, this sandy soil's going way slower than the topsoil did. Let me look closely. Test the sandy soil. Let's put some of this stuff in here. About one more scoop or more. I think I should put one more scoop in. That's good. Now I'm going to put some of this blue juice mix, which is going to be the minerals. Now let's pour some water. Mm. 25 minutes have passed and there's almost 200 milliliters and there's still some water sitting on top of the sandy soil. And I was a little surprised that the sandy soil is taking longer to get to 200 milliliters than the topsoil. And the topsoil absorbed the water, and this is just like sitting on top of the sandy soil. Now let's try the clay soil. Let's take a scoop. One more scoop. All right, now let's add some of this mix. Okay. Let's add the water now. See what happens. Whoa! Look how slow it's going. Look at that. Isn't that cool? So, it's going slower than, I think it's going a little faster than the sandy soil. We shall see. 30 minutes has passed and only 150 milliliters has gone through. And that means there's only 100 milliliters in the cup.